To pair your Soundcore Space One with the iPhone, first I recommend to download the Soundcore app from the App Store. You can enter the App Store and then in the top search look for the Soundcore. So I have this app already. You can also connect it without the app, but it gives you more options. So now let's grab our headset. We need to find the power button, which is located right here. Let it focus right here. Click and hold this button until you can see that the LED lamps are flashing rapidly with blue color. Then put your headphones aside and move to your iPhone Bluetooth settings. Now inside of the settings we need to find other devices below, and there's a Soundcore Space One ready to pair. Click on it and it should be connected with your iPhone. Then you can move to Soundcore app and you can add device, look for the headphones, and there's a Space One right here that we can pair with the app as well, which gives you more options.